Hydro is able to deliver larger sections than what is normally used in the industry, which then allows the customer to reduce both cost and lead time. The benefit of friction stir welding would be that you can have two welding heads welding at the same time. You have an automized process where you have the same parameters for the top and the bottom head, hence the distortion will be less and you can increase productivity. When it comes to quality of the panels, we perform 100% visual inspection of the panels. We also do non-destructive testing such as radiographic testing or ultrasonic testing, and as destructive testing we do bend test and tensile tests.